Hello, job seekers. This is Eileen McGaughey, Assistant Center Manager with the NCWorks Career Center, Craven County, and I'm so excited to see you. It has been a while, but we have great and exciting things happening here. If you haven't already seen on all our social media, the Craven Works Job Fair and Resource Event is coming up in March. So, in order to help you prepare for that, we have a series of workshops for you. They are all free, and they are going to take you through resume and cover letter, interviewing essentials, your 30-second elevator speech, and then we're going to focus on the job fair. Now, if you think this is just for the job fair, I'm sorry, are mistaken, and I'll have to share that with you. This is for your job search now and in the future. So, if you are interested in attending any of these workshops, go to our social media to see the dates and the times. Now, seating is limited, so you do need to call to register, and that number is 252-514-4828, and just let the person who answers the phone know that you want to register for a workshop. So, again, go to all our social media platforms, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and you will find all the information that you need. We look forward to seeing you soon.